Good morning. So today's walk is over the top of those through the forest, and there's a little summit. I don't know what's called, but obviously I'll stick it in the name of the video. I know there's a summit up there, so I went there quite recently. Today it's in CONWY, like Guffin, so it's just a little one. And today I'm with my daughter. What's your name?
Lacey.
Lacey.
I'm Lacey, and we're going on the path by the sheep.
Yeah. So we're going to go up the top there, and we've just the dog as well today, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go up there then.
Yeah.
Come on in. Lacey, lead the way.
Yeah. Because I got the new trainers.
Yeah, because she's got some new walking shoes, haven't you?
Yeah. Make sure not to step in the sheep poo.
Yeah. Right, see you in a minute. Right, so there's CONWY Castle in the background. Yeah, Lacey knows where it is, don't you?
Yeah, it's so big. So cool as well. Oh, can you see the flag?
Yeah, what flag's that?
It's CONWY flag.
CONWY flag's not. It's a Welsh flag, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a Welsh flag.
Wales.
And it has a dragon on it.
Yeah. Best flag.
And the sky's like the flag.
And there's the Vardra, where we live, in the background, the Gamma Mountain. And you've got some of the castle walls over here as well. And over there, and then there's CONWY Mountain at the top there. I've done a few videos up there. Some sheep looking at me here. Lacey wants to go. Right, onwards and upwards.
Hi everybody. It's me, Lacey, and I'm climbing up the stairs, and we're going to go in the forest.
Good girl. Right, how do you follow you? Which way is it?
Yeah.
Which way do you think it is?
I think it's that one.
It is that way. Alright, let's go. What a place to put your tent. Right on the path. So as you can see, Lacey's enthusiastic to get to the top. So cool here, is it? It's an ancient forest.
Yeah. I nearly went on holly.
Nearly what? On that holly. Some cows there, isn't it?
Looking at me.
Yeah. If we have to go in that field, we'll be turning back. I won't be walking through them. Little baby calves.
Oh, what's that way? I think they're horses.
Alright, let's go and have a look, shall we?
Yeah. Well, look at that big one. It's black.
So this is going to be the end of the walk, because there's no way I'm walking with you and this dog through this field. Shall Lacey, come back a bit. There's no way.
Maybe we could go on the other side.
Come on then, let's go this way. Let's go back. No, there's no way around it, darling. I'm not walking through that field with those cows with you and a dog. I wouldn't like to do it myself on my own.
How about on the other side?
Look, baby ones.
Oh, hi little baby cow. Hi. Hi little one. Hi. Oh.
Right.
Oh, that's the biggest cow. What's in that one?
There's some more Lacey, look.
Wow.
Come on now, let's go.
Moo, moo.
Right there. There's loads of them. Hello. You're a friendly one, aren't you? Right. That might be the end of the walk. We'll see in a minute. Ta-da. Right, so there was no way I was going to walk through that field of cows. You know how I hate cows. Don't hate them, but scared of them after getting chased. And I wasn't going to take the little dog and my little girl through there. Mum would go mad for a start, the wife. Lacey, wait there for Dad. So what we'll do is we'll go back down here. Lacey's well ahead. And tide's out, so I might have a little walk on the beach. Along, what's it called? CONWY, well, it's not CONWY Morva, behind CONWY Castle, beach there. Right, see you in a minute. Ta-da.
The big bad wolf is coming.
Right, Lacey, we're going to go down by the beach bit, down here, okay?
Okay.
Across there.
And the big bad wolf is trying to eat me.
That's not a big bad wolf, that's Jess.
Yeah, but she looks like one.
Does she? Maybe we should have sent her in that field of cows then, shouldn't we? Yeah. Right, let's go. Going off path there, Lacey. This is the path, isn't it? Lacey, where you going? You know where you're going, do you? Glad somebody does. There's the obelisk on top of Purdue Mountain. I've not done a video there before. It's not really much of a walk, but might do one soon. I run out of places around here. Right, Lacey's well ahead, so I'm gonna have to catch up now. See you in a bit. CONWY Castle. It's the train bridge. Tunnel, sorry. Behind that, you can't see, slightly see the bottom of it, is Telford Suspension Bridge. There's CONWY Estuary. Hi Lacey, exploring are you?
Yeah.
It's nice to have a not so sunny morning for a change. It's been a bit too hot lately. I've been staying indoors, in the garden, in the pool. Been doing a bit of kayaking as well, but I haven't filmed it. Right, I better follow her because it's a bit slippy down there, she might slip. Right. There's 3 jellyfish in this little pool of water. They won't be getting back into the water for a while. Lacey will be happy, doesn't like jellyfish. Where are you off now? No, we've just been that way. Go on, go under here. Under this. Okay, watch you don't slip. Lacey, come on, it doesn't matter, we can clean when we get home. Lacey's bothered about getting her new trainers dirty.
Wait for me, Dad.
Right, should we head down that way, Lacey? Come on then, let's go. So we've got our own little private beach here now. Sand, yeah. Lacey's happy, she loves the beach. Oh, lovely, Jess. It's just a wee, so no complaints, please. I always make sure I pick up after the dog. Train gonna go through that tunnel now. Ah, put your shoe back on. Why?
Because there's a jellyfish.
Oh, jellyfish again, is it?
I went by and it, you know, just did it.
Right, so over there is where I went the other night to do some filming for the Lightning, the RSPB in Llanelli Junction. Footage was awful, so didn't bother uploading it. Couple of good photos, but didn't do much with them. Right, we're going to go around there. Not going to leave it too long because we don't want the tide coming in because we get stuck. I remember as a teenager I had to climb up these walls to get out of here once the tide comes in. Jess, come here. Right, I'm going to grab the dog, she's just pulled the lead off me. See you in a bit. Imagine you get quite a waterfall coming down there in the winter. Right, we're going to head back now because it's getting a bit too slippy here for the little one. She'll cry her eyes out if she slips and gets covered in mud. So will I. This dog's trying to trip me up here. Right. Yeah, Jess, you had fun? Come on then, let's go. Just stop for a bit of a pit stop. Cheers, Lacey.
Cheers.
Where are we going?
We're going to CONWY Quay.
Right, so I'm going to head past the castle there.
Yep.
To CONWY Quay. Just over the top of that castle, isn't it? Just on the side. See you when we get there. Bye.
Bye. Ah, cool. And it has an echo.
Yeah.
Wow. So colourful in here.
You're loving it, aren't you?
There's stars.
Yeah, stars on the roof.
You can see a leopard here, Wow, and a dragon.
Right, let's go up these steps then, Lacey. And just keep to the side, keep from other people. Lacey? Lacey? Don't put your hands all over that rail. You don't need to, do you? You don't need it. Right, keep to the side. Behind me. Jess. Right, Lacey, let's head down to the quay, yeah? Wait there, wait. Welcome to CONWY.
Hey, Daddy.
So right, in front of CONWY Castle now. CONWY's very busy. CONWY's busy, isn't it, Lacey?
Yeah.
Wish him well. Herb garden. You can help yourself. Rosemary. Rosemary on roast potatoes, can't beat it. Russian red kale. Sweet corn. Nice.
Cabbage.
Oh yeah, cabbage, good girl. Leeks, red kale.
That's what flowers are too.
Yeah, sage over there.
Okay.
Rhubarb,
Okay. Rhubarb.
more rosemary,
Oh,
oregano,
okay.
spaghetti squash, never heard of that. Peas, more oregano, white currant,
That's not
fruit
bad.
bushes,
And what's that one?
edible sedum,
What's this?
chives over there.
Strawberries.
Strawberries, yeah, they won't last long, will they? They'll be gone. Everyone will have them.
So where are those strawberries?
Some more leeks.
One.
Yeah, there you go, there's the strawberries.
There it is.
There's the strawberries. Nice. Not many is there, they've been had. More strawberries picked from June. Yeah, that's why they're gone. Then left. Fair play to whoever it is who set that up.
Is this
I've taken advantage of that a few times. Stick some money in the wishing well. Right, gonna head to the quay now. Okay, so me and Lacey have done a bit of foraging.
Yeah.
And we've got some kale.
Yeah. Kale.
The last strawberry.
Yeah.
Lacey insisted on having the last strawberry. Lettuce.
Yeah, my favourite.
Your favourite, is it?
Yeah. I love to eat it.
Yeah. And then we got thyme, which
Yeah.
smells lovely. And Daddy's favourite herb, rosemary, on roast potatoes. So you're gonna eat a bit of this lettuce now, are you, Lacey?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna give it a wash then.
Okay.
See, Lacey doesn't normally eat veg. Do you, darling?
No.
Veg or salad, but because it's she's foraged it herself. You're gonna give it a go, aren't you?
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Is it nice? Is it nice, Lacey? You're not sure, are you?
No.
Do you not like it? You don't like it?
It's a bit crunchy.
It's a bit crunchy. Well, that's what you want in a lettuce, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm very happy to see you trying it. Lacey trying to climb the wall. I'm not worried though because she won't get to the top.
What?
Oh yeah? It's a lovely walk along there, all around here from the CONWY beach or the CONWY quay, it's up to you. But yeah, you come right along here, then you come over the bridge here, and you can go right down here, around here as well. Let's head down to the quay.
Lots of birds and seagulls.
Yeah. Look, what are these? Mussels. Conway's famous for his mussels, so you should try them. Lovely. Made out of limestone. Lacey, don't climb it please, there's a monument. Harbour master there checking on everyone. Conway lifeboat. Come on Lacey. She's pretending to eat them. Strange girl.
No, I was going like this, but I was going like this because there's a block.
Right, don't go by the edge there.
It's because there's a block.
Went crabbing there a few weeks ago. The family.
That's
Down the bottom. Yeah, that's where we went crabbing, isn't it? The tide's down today, isn't it? Tide's out. This way. Lacey. Come on. I know you want to go fishing, but look, there's no sea. Tide's out. There's a Conway mussel shop. You get all seaweed from seafood from there. Cockles, love them. You can get your crabbing lines there as well. And these lobster pots for Conway fishermen. You having fun, Lacey?
Yeah.
Good. Big anchor. Keith, memory of Keith the fish. I remember coming as a teenager to get fish from his fish stall, what was just here.
Look at that, Daddy.
Great bloke.
Look at that.
Yeah, fishing, yeah. Oh, look, they've got a crab there. Jess wasn't too sure at first walking down here, slipping all over the place. Right, Lacey, stop there now. Sightseeing cruises there. Lacey, keep to the side. Yeah, sorry. Castle walls. Seagull's noisy, isn't it? I wish I would bought my bank card out of me. I have a pint in Little Arms. Never mind. Wasn't planning on coming into Conway.
Fishing rod.
You want a fishing rod?
And also a bucket.
There's a lot you want.
Wait, I don't want a bucket because I already got some buckets. But the one is only I need is a fishing rod. Thanks for watching our video and make sure you subscribe.